Have you ever had one of those days when outside is really cold and wet and you just want to have a nice warm breakfast? Well, today I'm going to share with you how you can do just that. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Iron Cookbook. And if you are new to this channel and you like healthy homemade recipes, then stay connected by subscribing to our channel. This way you will be notified as we upload more videos and also help us in getting to our first 1,000 subscribers. So today I'm going to share with you how easily you can prepare homemade marmalade out of tangerines. So first I have 12 tangerine and 2 lemon for this recipe, but I didn't have 2 lemon. I actually used one lime and 1 lemon. So you have to just cut them the way I showed over here, just quarter them and just do everything, every single tangerine this way. And as you are doing it, if you can, take the seeds off of the tangerine, and also the lime or the lemon. I'm actually using the lemon. So as you go through, just take the seeds out. And if you cannot take the seeds out while you're cooking it, you will see that the seeds will slowly come at the top of the pot anyway as you cook, and you can just take them off. So what I will do, I'll just put them into our food processor, just blitz it through very quickly. And then we would like to keep the pieces into coarse pieces. You see, we don't want to make them too smooth. That's the whole purpose of marmalade. It keeps the fruit peels, and that's the reason we call it marmalade, not jam. In jam you don't have that. So put it into your pot, add in 2 cups of sugar. For my recipe I actually use 2 cups of sugar, and that's the amount of sweetness I like. And also, if you are not sure how much sugar you should be putting, you can taste it. So just cook it a bit, add a little bit of sugar, taste it, then add a little bit of sugar. This is where you can vary the amount of sugar you want to add. And here I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Gives a very nice flavor to it. And then just keep moving it, mix everything, and you will see that the fruit particles release its own fructose, and the fruit skin or the peels will break down, and the cell membrane will release its own pectin. You may have noticed that in this recipe I'm not adding any kind of pectin. It's completely pectin free. The pectins are generated by the fruit itself, and you reach to this level, then you know that your marmalade is ready. This is the consistency you want to end up in. Get your canning jar or jam jar, make sure you have sterilized it previously with hot water or anything, and then just pour it into your jar slowly, and just let it sit there for half an hour to an hour, and you'll see that a perfect seal will form on the jar itself. And then this kind of once you prepared it, it would last you at least a month. And you can just eat it at least a month. We put it into this jar, and it also lasted us for a month, and it's very delicious, and it's also a good way of using your fruits. So I've served it over here with some chocolate twist and some coffee. If you like, you add any other stuff for your breakfast, and you can use your tea or coffee, but it goes very nicely with hot beverages and some nice dessert, cakes or anything, and give this recipe a try. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's so easy, it's completely foolproof, you cannot get wrong. All I used is just 12 tangerine and 2 limes or lemons, and just chop them up and just put it into the cooker, and just at gentle low flame, just slightly medium low flame, just cooked it for 30 to 35 minutes, and then it's done. It's so easy. It's going to stay in your fridge for a month. You can have it anytime, and try it. So hope you like this recipe. If you did, give us a like, share with us how you got on, if you prepared it at home. Give us your comments. How was it for you? And again, if this is the first time for you in our channel, welcome, and please subscribe to our channel and help this channel grow and reach to its first 1,000 subscribers. So thank you again for taking the time to watch this video. So till the next time, take care.